Keeping your lungs healthy is essential to feeling your best. Yet common factors including exposure to cigarette smoke and environmental toxins, as well as eating an inflammatory diet, can take a toll on this pair of important organs. Today's video discusses top best drink for healthy lungs. Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Top juice to improve your lungs. Though little known, beets are once considered a primary source of sugar in the 19th century. Today, along with ginger and blackberries, they are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. In conjunction with antioxidants quercetin found in the skin of apple, this sweet juice is perfect for building lung health while healing the body from within. Beet, apple and blackberry juice. Ingredients: 3 small beets, 2 to 3 apple, 8 ounce bag of blackberries, half inch fresh ginger. Directions: place beet, apple, blackberries and ginger into a blender. Add coconut water. Process for 30 seconds or until smooth. Now your juice is ready. Thinking of trying this recipe? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.